Going to show a little video of the custom rear cap glass power locking system I just installed, fabricated. So it's wired in with the same actuator tie-in that the lock for the tailgate is, and so these I hit lock and they extend out and it's locked. I might be able to adjust it where it's got a little less play there. I've just got this set up. Hit unlock twice and they retract and the door opens, or the glass opens. So I've got most of the wiring done. It's tied up here, a little loop for where it opens up. Tied into the same loom, I guess, that I'd done for the lights. I'm not quite finished here. I ran out of the 1/4 inch split loom, but really pleased with how this turned out. I used a piece of a little toggle latch. I'll show in some pictures, and cut the pin out and used the strap and tapped it into the back of these the latch that's, or the T-handle that's part of that already, and just some cheap actuators, but really works well, and it kind of just pushes against the same spot that the rotating little metal arm would slide against. So I think I can get a little bit more adjustment out of that to tighten that up just a little bit. There it is.